Hello guys, my name is Satyendra Punia. I am your anchor, I am your host, and I am your teacher. And I'm sure that you are loving my content. Yes, still I didn't catch YouTube algorithm. I know the YouTube algorithm works, and then the videos and viral and channel get views, subscription, and then we can monetize a channel. But don't worry, I have a time. Look, because right now what I am seeing the actual situation that content creation is the best job in a still right now. Because yes, we can see that where the government employ, okay, where the government vacancy, no one have. I mean, where are all the government vacancy which you heard in your childhood, okay, where they are? No. Private job, yes, you have to skill. You want to get private job, then you have to skill. I'm telling you, if you have a skill, then you will get a private job. Otherwise, forget about the private job also. If you really think that that degree that you are pursuing, yes, that degree will suit you, and they can help you in a good company job, okay. But end of the day, you have to upgrade your skill, okay. You have to upgrade your skill. You have no option, you have only one option, that you have to upgrade your skill. So focus on your skill instead of marks, okay. If you are giving importance to the marks, and then you are think that now you are able to 6 lpa, 10 lpa, 15 lpa, no. It's your misunderstanding that you are thinking that that marks will decide your destiny. No. Company will always check your skill. So yes, upgrade your skill. And yes, look, today's topic is occasion, okay. Look guys, I am a I am too much fun lover guy, okay. I love dancing, I used to get chill, I love all the thing which a teenager do, okay. Yes, look, I'll be always look 20, okay. This is I really want to be happy, and of course this all the things, I mean, I'm really pursuing because I really want to look happy. That's why I always fit and motivated. And yes, cricket is my passion, and of course, always it will be. But there are many occasions, okay, like Holi, Diwali, and yeah, I mean, there are 2 or 3 festival which is very important and which is so much. But I'm telling you a very seriously think. Look, as much as I older and older, like a age, I I really thought that festival, I never seen any kind of festival. Look, I have seen festival in movies, I have seen festival in a movie songs, but I never seen in a festival in a real life, I'm telling you. And one thing you can relate everything, that always just notice that what is the reason behind that whenever the all the function occasion like Holi and Diwali comes, your house like a free fire. I mean, totally free fire. Just always think where this kind of thing happening. So yes, now I have built a very good house. Look, I have a too much built house. I have a very good. I mean, I think I now I can say that I have a most mature, most understanding, most. I mean, the family which I dreamed till my childhood. The family really, I made it. I have 11 brothers and no 9 my, you can say that, girlfriends or whatever you can say. I really don't care. But I have made a very good family, and now I'm easily seeing that soon, I mean, 7 or 8 months we gonna shift it out. Yes, I'm seeing actually. Look, my eyes, I can my always see part, and I'm seeing exactly what I really want, what I really deserve. Because this I did a very lot of hard works in life. Okay, I really did a lot of hard. Yes, there was a lot of pain, but I really don't care because that pain give me my life path. You know what? All the toxic people, all the negative people, negative vibes, negative energy throughout. You can't believe throughout. Now when I see them, I really think that these are stranger people. Okay, these are such a stranger people. I really don't know them. I really don't know them. So this is how I build and this is how I grow each and every day. And yes, now I am very close my goal, and soon I will catch my goal. Because you can see that, look, just be a human being. Okay, I mean, what? Just be a human being. What a human being have? You have a maturity, you have a understanding, you have a sensibility. I mean, you have a sense that what people want, what you should actually do. You have to clear your goals. That's why I am telling you, just being an isolated person. Okay, just being an isolated person. I mean at least isolated 2 or 3 years. I'm telling you, if you really want to do as if you really want to live a very good life, which exactly you want to do, just live at least 3 or 4 years, at least 3 or 4 years being totally isolated person. I mean, all the things you are thinking that sightseeing and chill out with friends, chill out with your and you. I mean, just spare it 3 or 4 years, and you will see the magic. Because your isolation, your being alone, will make you a man. I mean, look, it's first of all you have to be a man, and what the things will become man you will become when you will live alone with that people who really don't like see you. Okay, don't didn't you understand what I'm saying? The situation will become, I mean, people who don't want to see your face, live with them at least 3 or 4 years. Okay, and that all the circumstances and situation will create your aura, that you will become man. Be a fit, every day do exercise, every day make a content, every day creative things. I mean, people are shouting, people are fighting, they don't care, just let them die. Okay, you just do your own work, you have to live your happiness. Okay, just love yourself. Without love yourself, you will never find yourself. Okay, you have to love yourself. Just love yourself, and everything will inside you. Everything will inside you. You will get money, bungalow, luxury car, luxury hotel, all the luxury you really want to wish and you really want to think that you want. First, you have to be a alone person. Look, in forest, who rule? Only lion. In forest, only lion rule, and lion will always alone. Yes, if he have also, but look, you have to. If you really want to live like a king, if you really want to live a good life, you have to alone. This is a and occasion. Yes, occasion means all all the occasion I really will make it. I mean, I will touch it. I will make all the occasion, Holi, Diwali, and all the various with my family. Yes, with my family. I will make it all the occasion with my family. Okay. So yes, and soon look. I'm telling you, being a isolated person. If you really want to create your life, okay. If you really want to create your life, first being an isolated person at least 3 or 4 years and build yourself, grow yourself, okay. Because life is not really thing what you will think, okay. Anything, anywhere, anytime, there can be happen. There can be happen. Anything can be happen. So you have to prepare your mind yourself like this. Now you can handle every situation. Now you can handle every situation like a child game. Okay. So yes, if you are learning and keep growing, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And yes, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Shabba Khair, Kem Cho, Majama.